you leave all man for America. Carry your birthday, go do for Dubai.
Oh, you have who?
Hey, who? You don't mean that dog. Say who?
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So today is day 1 of my birthday vacation prep. And I've actually not done a single thing to prep for my birthday vacation. We're about to change that. I'm about to go visit my uncles just because it's one of the things that I wanted to knock out of the way. I want to let them know like when I'm leaving, my itinerary, you know, keep them informed to at a certain extent. And then I can check that off the list. And I don't have much to do. I have to order some things. I have to order some things. Overnight shipping. Hopefully they get here to latest Sunday because I leave on Monday. Today's Friday, by the way. I have to pack. I have to do laundry. I have to drop off my cats at their respectful places where they're going to be staying. And one might actually not be returning back to me, but that's a story for another time. So this is my outfit for today. My uncle lives about 30 minutes from me, so let's head out. Ooh, this is nice. I had a friend tweak with the settings of my camera and bro, the difference that it makes, oh my gosh. I'm looking at myself and I'm like, this is actually giving, period.
You could just tell me like it is.
Traffic.
Pretty little fish. You just on my head.
All right, I'm at my uncle's place and he's chefing it up. The best cook in the family behind my grandmother. We're ready, soya.
How you doing?
You're welcome.
Check that too.
Put that away. Put that away. This is a halal channel.
So,
we don't drink alcohol over here.
I don't fear when you don't keep the animal. Let me speak you the bonus. You don't keep the animal. The same money they spend for that animal if you spend for picking. What you talk me here? No for the
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If the time go reach.
Yeah, even if you no rich. Take your time.
Thank you. I'm just a girl. And they're fixing my car. I literally come and get all my car's problems fixed. I love that for me. All right, I'm back home. Now, part of vacation prep is I have 2 cats. I have to figure out where they're gonna go for the week that I'm gonna be out of town. So I have 2 separate friends who are gonna be taking 1 cat each. And yes, I'm separating them on purpose because one of them may not be coming back with me. He's just not happy here and I feel like we'd just be happier apart. What I'm doing right now is I'm creating a bag for each of them and just basically the same stuff. So I have their wet food and their dry food. So I give them 2 types of wet food. I give them the Sheba and I give them the Fancy Feast. So I'm gonna be gone for 8 days, but this is enough food to last them, you know, more than 8 days. And then of course their dry food as well. And then this is the litter that we use. Now I bought this 1 box. I'm gonna split it between the 2 cats. I'm literally just gonna dump it into like a plastic bag and double bag it just so it's secure. And I have treats as well. These are the Temptations treats for cats. Now 1 cat is going to their person a day before the other cat, but they both have their own individual cat carriers that I got, of course, the day that I adopted them. But yeah, these are my cats, basically spend the night bags. I'm gonna put a load of laundry on, but I think this is it for day 1 of vacation prep. I'm so excited. All right, it's day 2 of vacation prep. So on today's agenda, it's really just dropping off my pets at their various homes. This is Papaya. He is the one who may or may not be coming back to me. All right, so he's all packed up and I have all his other stuff here. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna head over to her place right now. But yeah, that's our first stop. So let's head out. All right, Papaya. Come on, buddy. Wait. There you go. Alright. You wanna go down? I'm gonna close this for now just so you can familiarize yourself with your environment, okay, bro? If you wanna open it at night so he can like sleep in it if he wants to, then that's fine. Yeah. Where do you want the litter?
Anywhere. Oh, well, actually, I was thinking about in that corner because I feel like it's private.
I love his coat.
Hey, guys.
Hi. She fixed my camera. I told her not to get involved with men.
Okay, well, she did.
And now we're here.
She needs support.
Alright, now we're here is crazy. I'll text her.
And now we're here is wild. Can I give them a review of my drink?
Oh my god.
Is it good? Is it good?
It's a little bit too sweet though.
Oh. I decided to let. What do you have a name? Like, do you refer to them by anything? I usually say like lovelies or something.
Oh no, people, humans.
Hey people, hey people,
humans.
So I suggested that she get a chai tea latte. Last time, but see the thing is, it probably doesn't.
Oh no, I like it. I had to stir it. Never mind. Never mind.
I was
Disregard.
I was just gonna say all of it's at the bottom.
Disregard. I had
You
to
can
stir
see it.
I had to stir it.
Yeah. So I'm still A1 when it comes to my suggestions.
Oh please.
What was I actually saying though? Oh wait, can I let them know that we have the same camera?
Yeah.
Like we're meant to be friends, guys. Because, except
hers is white. I don't know why.
Well, actually, all my accessories are white.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's just for the cleanse. Like, look.
I mean, my tripod is white too because it only came in white.
Well, that's why I got the camera, so it looks good. It's the consistency. You know what I mean?
Can your camera get on this tripod?
No.
Okay.
So that's the only thing that really bothers me. Let's actually do a little quick review, okay?
Let me tell y'all about this tripod.
It's the A2.
I have the same thing, but mine is a little bit different. Like, it doesn't have this. I feel like yours is like the newer generation.
It might be.
Yeah. I got the old one.
Yeah. But anyways, the only thing that I really do not like about this tripod is the fact that I can't screw this part off and apply any other thing. Like it has to be
your phone. That's it. It's only for your phone.
So anyways, in terms of my hot chocolate, because that's what I got, it's pretty good. It just tastes like chocolate, which I wasn't prepared for. People who get it, and if you don't get it, skip past this. I'm serious.
I love my chai and I got it iced because today is actually it's Houston, so it's always hot regardless. But like I like a cool down kind of drink.
Banana bread?
Yes, thank you. Oh, I forgot. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
And I got banana bread because I'm greedy. Oh wait, take your drink and hold it. Let's get a thumbnail.
Okay, I'm already I feel like I'm already giving.
You're really not. Your skin glowing, gorgeous, and the best.
Is it really?
Yeah. You have such good. If I had clear skin like yours, I would not be wearing the amount of makeup that I do.
Firstly, your skin is clear.
Is it
bro,
like
scarring?
Yeah, look at my acne scarring, bro. This is like a little random breakup that I had because I started using like new products.
I have like the.
No, she don't.
It's
no, she don't. Okay. No, she don't.
Okay. Let's get this up. Oh.
Alright, I'm at the second location to drop off my sweet.
She's such a little model. Did you see that?
Momo. We're eating fruit.
Period.
It's you guys have to eat all of this before you guys leave.
Dang, it's a by force. Alright, so I've dropped off all my children at their respective foster homes for the week that I'm gonna be gone. And the male cat, who I said might not be coming back, it turns out he doesn't hate me, he hates women. Because he immediately bonded with my friend's husband. So you know what that means? That means I need to get married. I'm literally adding that to my dating profile on whatever dating app I'm using. I need to get married because apparently my cat hates women. So I need him to like a man that I actually live with. The mood for tonight is literally packing. When I go to sleep tonight, or when I go to work tomorrow, because I'm working tomorrow. When I go to work tomorrow, I need to go to work packed, zipped, ready to go. Like, I'm ready to go. So when I come back and I'm resting. I'm not coming back to pack because I come back Monday morning, take a little nap, and then wake up and go straight to the airport. So today's mood is making sure I am fully 100% packed before I go to sleep. And guess what time it is? It's currently like 11. All right, wish me luck. But yeah, this is day 2 and the final day of getting ready for my vacation because I don't need to be doing anything tomorrow, basically. That's the mood. I don't need to be doing anything tomorrow. We're going to Dubai. Look at my henna. As if I need more perfume oils. You can never have too many. First drink of the night, it's a mocktail. We're on our way to Abu Dhabi. Do you want to say hi to my camera?
Yes.
Okay, if you're wondering who is we, this is my friend.
Hello.
In 23 minutes, I will officially be 29 years old. I'm so excited.
She also excited because I'm here with her. So, Houston, we have a problem.
Now y'all want to know about the man. Well,